What's up, you guys? Quick update. Today I did a DIY tank for my auto top off system. As you see, I'm running without a lid, so evaporation is something that's gonna occur. So I went ahead and did a order for an automatic top off system. So I have the return there, and I have the actual ATO motor inside of that department. What I did was basically just bought this little box for $3 off every dollar. I don't know how many gallons it holds. I unplugged it. I just put 1 gallon of water in there to see if it was working. I need to go get some more bottles because I've been doing it by myself, and like I ran low, but that's how it's gonna look. And that's pretty darn cool. The wiring is ugly. I'll probably pick up something from the store, like some foam or something like that. But yeah, you guys, auto top off system, and my lighting is so cool. And that's what I top off with, pure distilled water. Yickety.